In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number both for desktop and online versions. Knowing where to locate your license details is crucial for managing your subscription, reinstalling the software, or resolving any service issues you may encounter. Let's start with QuickBooks Desktop. It's a straightforward process that begins within the software itself. First, open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Once you're logged in and have your dashboard in front of you, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the window. You're going to want to select the Help option. The Help menu is typically on the far right of the menu bar. Once you've clicked on Help, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to click on About QuickBooks. It's usually located at the bottom of the drop-down list. When you select About QuickBooks, a window will pop up displaying various pieces of information. Now, this is where you'll find your QuickBooks license number. Alongside other details about your current software version, the license number should be clearly visible. Take note of this number as it can be vital for future reference and technical support. Now, let's shift gears and focus on QuickBooks Online. Tracking down your license information here is a bit different, as QuickBooks Online integrates your license details with your subscription information. To begin, open your browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the Settings gear icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will display a menu with a variety of options. In these options, look for Account and Settings and select it. The Account and Settings page is where you can view and manage all aspects of your account and subscription. On this page, go to the Billing and Subscription tab. This section includes all the information you need about your subscription plan, including your license information. The details provided here are part of your active subscription package, offering a clear overview of your plan type and duration. Take a moment to review this section to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. It's always good practice to stay informed about your subscription terms, and there you have it. Whether you're a QuickBooks Desktop or online user, you can easily access your license number by following these steps. It's an essential part of maintaining your QuickBooks software and staying on top of your service status. Remember to keep this information secure and easily accessible for when you might need it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.